All right, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're gonna be cleaning those grimy, dirty windows. Just a couple easy steps with some simple products, and you're gonna have those amazing results. Now, if your attention span is only 4.5 seconds, you've seen enough. The links to the products I used are in the description, and we'll see you on the next one. But for everybody else that wants to check out the process, stick around. I got some good stuff for you. So if you've already washed a car, then you can kind of skip this first process. This is for that dirty window without the car wash. Now we'll start by filling up our spray bottle using our Pro Blend and our no rinse solution, and we'll measure it, put it into our spray bottle. We'll get some microfiber towels. Today I'm going to be using the all-purpose microfiber towels. Also some good quality waffle weave microfiber towels for the glass. And today something new also, we're going to be bringing in a synthetic clay bar, and that's going to really get those contaminants off of that glass. So we'll start off with that no rinse solution, wipe it on really good, spread it around. We're just trying to remove, you know, the big stuff, the bugs, the sap, the stuff that just kind of easily is going to come off. We'll go ahead and repeat on the other side. I'm not worried about a streak-free finish here because all I'm trying to do is just get the big stuff off. So now we'll go ahead and do another thick layer of that no rinse. That's going to give us good lubrication to use this synthetic clay mitt. You'll see me working it around. What I'm doing is I'm feeling across when it's nice and slick. I know there's not a lot of contamination, but I'm hitting areas that are kind of grabby. They got a little gritty feeling to them, and I'm working that off of the glass. And I'm going to continue this process all around until all that sticky, gnarly stuff is just gone off of there and it's nice and slick. Then I'll follow up with my microfiber towel. I'm not worried about a streak-free finish here. I'm just trying to get all that product off, all the nasty stuff off, because next I'm going to follow up and I'm going to hit it with the glass cleaner anyway. So now we'll come on over to the other side. Same thing, nice and thick with the no rinse. I'm going to follow around with the synthetic clay mitt. You'll see me work the whole area. I'm trying to find those gritty spots. I'll come back behind and I'll work it in and make sure I get all that windshield nice and slick. And I'll tell you what, it works really well. I mean, I'm really impressed with how good that synthetic mitt works. We'll go ahead and get it all cleaned up. Now I'm gonna follow behind with that invisible glass cleaner. Now's when I wanna see that streak-free finish. Put it on nice and thick. Work that microfiber towel in. This is the waffle weave version. It's really good for not leaving streaks. Just one pass, it's already almost streak-free. But I'm gonna flip the towel over, and now I'm gonna lightly buff it, and I'm gonna kind of eyeball this and try to get any streaking off that might have showed itself. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Put the product on nice and thick, a good pass with a new side of the towel, wipe it clean, flip it, and buff it off. And boy, that's really clean. But I do now want to put a good coating on here. We've stripped it down. We've totally got everything off the glass. I want a good hydrophobic slick coating. So I'm going to be using my drying aid. I'm going to put that on the window. This will provide good protection on the windshield. And I'll spray it on nice and thick, spread it around with that microfiber towel. Flip the towel over and just lightly buff off any streaking. And that's the true test with a good drying aid or a good spray protectant is when you do it on the glass. If you're struggling to get that streakiness off, you know it's doing it on the paint too. So, and this stuff works really easy. Just put it on, spread it around, flip it, and it buffs right off. All right, so wow, that looks amazing, like brand new. A lot of stuff accumulates on these windshields from parking under trees. You'll get sap, you'll get road grime, bugs, all kinds of stuff like that. And I'll tell you what, the normal wash process, it'll get 90% of it off, no problem. But if you really want to get this thing back to brand new, the rinseless wash with the clay mitt, I'll tell you what, it provides a good lubricant. The clay mitt agitates everything, all that stubborn stuff off. Then I follow behind with the window cleaner and really get it streak free. And I always like to top it with that drying aid. That gives it a good hydrophobic coating. Water is going to be hitting it and just skimming off the top, giving us some great visibility. I'll leave links to everything down in the description so it's easy for you to figure this out. And you know I always appreciate it when you buy through the links. That helps keep the channel going. And leave some comments down below. How do you do your heavy window cleanings? Everybody reads the comments and they enjoy reading your tips as well. So I appreciate you leaving them down there. And you know what? Like all the other projects I do around here, oh, this turned out awesome. And I'll see you on the next one. Yeah.